Hey, it's Iya. Welcome back to my channel.
Hi cuties. So I actually filmed this vlog quite a while ago. At the time I had just started getting into skincare and decided to record everything. Now that I have used these products for some time, I am doing a voiceover and finally posting this video. So before we move ahead, I just want to let you know that I'm not recommending any of these as I am also at learning stage like you. So let's open this pouch and I'll tell you how my experience actually went. So the first thing in this pouch is this plum rice water and 2% niacinamide moisturizer. I have already used this, so yeah, I can talk about it. Like, first of all, for the reference, my skin type is combination. Like, it gets dry in winters and oily in summers. So yeah, it was a good moisturizer. Like, it has got rice water, which is mostly for the hydration, and also niacinamide, which is pretty common in skincare for balancing the skin. Also, I love this packaging, like the glass packaging that came. On my skin, it felt quite lightweight, I would say, and not sticky, which I really liked. Next is this salicylic acid cleanser from Minimalist. I literally love the brand and every product that I got from this. And so it has got salicylic acid and LHA, which basically clean out the pores and keeps the skin feeling fresh. I mainly use this when my skin felt heavy. I always followed it up with a moisturizer. Moving on to the next product, we have sunscreen by Be Body Wise. Its name is Ultra Light Sunscreen SPF 50 plus. Texture wise, I would say it felt pretty lightweight on my skin and it blended in easily. Also, it didn't give me a white cast. That is a big plus one for me. Although I want to try other sunscreen available in the markets, like I think there are much better ones. Before I talk about the serums, I just want to say when I started skincare, I was honestly very confused. I was watching a lot of videos, reading a little, and just trying to understand what my skin actually needs. So I didn't want to jump into too many strong products. I just needed to start slow. Keeping all that in mind, I picked a few serums with low percentages. Like you can see, first one is this salicylic acid. So I mostly used this when my skin felt congested, like when I had some small breakouts on my skin. I didn't use it every day, just occasionally. Yeah. Like it As you can see, this came with double packaging. I liked it though. Here I'm just opening and just let you see. Next one is this niacinamide 0.5%. So this one was more for overall skin balance. Just keeping this thing simple. It all came with the similar packaging. Next one is this retinol, and this was actually not for me, this was for my mom, and because she wanted to try it out. Next one, this is the last one I have. This is the tinted lip balm from Wish Care, and this has got SPF 50. It's ceramide lip balm. I honestly picked this because I wanted something easy for every day and not a full lipstick. Like I wear it and go to my college wearing this only. It also felt quite moisturizing. See the shade. So, yeah, that was everything in this pouch. I'm still learning, still experimenting. And if you're starting skincare, just take it slow and listen to your skin.